Good morning. What is today?
The Santa come.
Hmm?
The Santa come.
I don't know. Go wake up Kaylee so you guys can go check. Go forward. Go wake up Kaylee first. Kaylee. You gonna see if Santa brought you guys any presents?
It's Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh, are you sleepy?
No. It's just great. Just like when I was sleeping in the dark at Mama's house and I got it on the light in the kitchen in her house and it was bright.
Really?
And I stand next to her fire then it wasn't so bright.
Okay, go check and see if Santa brought you any presents. What's the verdict?
Santa come.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Now I gotta go wake up your sister.
Love you.
Oh, see the baby.
It's a big hug.
Santa did come.
Evelyn. Baby. Do you want to see if Santa brought you some presents? Yeah? Come on, give me your hand.
Okay.
Let's go see if Santa brought you some presents. Okay? Oh, and now you're tired, baby. Let's go look under the tree. Go look. Did Santa bring you any presents? Yes? Oh my goodness. Yay! You did get a present. Oh my goodness.
Open up this one?
Hold on. Hey, you can't just pass presents out. We gotta make sure we get them to the right people. Oh, poor sleepy girl. Did you get presents? Yeah, did you get presents?
I want to open one.
Did Santa Claus come because he was a good girl?
Cookies. Go look and see.
I love you. Is he out of presents?
You share.
I can feel it for Mama.
Oh, you think you left it for Mama? Maybe.
Okay.
Where else does Santa Claus put presents?
Santa. Look what Santa left. Look.
Wow.
She left the candy.
Turn on the light. And we'll start
Maybe
dishing up
Santa
the
left
presents.
presents somewhere else.
I can't just leave this candy cane in my hand.
Go put it on the counter.
Where does Santa left this candy cane?
That's in the stockings.
Is there stuff in there? Okay. Sit down on the floor.
On the rug.
Scoot over there. You have to sit directly on the floor.
I gotta catch a present. This is like a penny box.
Okay, Kaylee, here's yours.
Ooh, a stocking full of
Ivory
presents.
pajamas.
Goed, baby. Wat vind je ervan?
Sit down.
There's you.
Dat was gooien, allemaal bij het leeg.
Oh,
Ooit gooien.
poor baby. Okay, go ahead, open it. See what Santa brought
Yeah.
you.
Look what she bought me.
Toys.
That. Mom, what is it?
Pillow.
Look what he
What's in there, baby?
Look, Mama.
Open it.
Mama. Look.
Want to look at the toys?
Ooh. Wow.
Custody.
That's super cool.
Oh.
Yeah, what is it?
It's fun.
Yeah, look in there, baby. Pull it out.
Baby bunny.
Hey. Super rich.
Look, Daddy.
Big money.
What's this? Everything.
It's a flashlight. You got your very own flashlight.
This is my flashlight.
What's
How
for
do
you?
you turn it
You got a
on?
flashlight?
Look, a flashlight.
Wow! Welcome to Christmas.
A flashlight.
Wow.
What else do you got in there?
Wow. I got mine.
Take it out, baby.
Brown.
What else do you have in there?
Leave all of it, so it's Santa
Are you gonna look?
Mama, look.
It's a disc shooter.
You got me my
Oh.
very own crown.
How special.
What is something? 1, 2. Why is something? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look what's
What else is in there?
It's the new clues.
Ooh, cards.
Can we learn the cards?
You don't want to open the rest of your presents?
Mama, what are these? Oh, yes,
They're
I
fingernail tips.
Santa bring me so I can put them on.
Yeah.
I have cards. I have cards.
Come on.
Mama, he bought me.
What do you think?
Mama,
I don't know.
he bought me some. Mama, he bought me some pink.
Big
You
one.
know presents now. Mama, Daddy.
Okay. Sit back so we can make sure to keep these in the... Aubrey, that one's for you.
Can I open it?
Now these little ones are from Mama.
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 Ooh.
Can I open it?
Go ahead. That one's for all of y'all.
Open it.
Yeah, open it.
Open it.
Okay. Yeah,
Open it.
Hand it back. Here.
Look at Santa bring me. Look at Santa bring me. Look. Look at Santa bring me. Look. Look. Santa.
Hey! You got a bracelet and a ring and a necklace.
Wow.
What is
Can we open
it?
more presents?
How beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Mama, can we open this one now?
That one's for all of y'all, okay?
Okay.
This one's from Mama too.
Can you open this
Hold on,
one?
hold on. Here. What's this? Hardcore, super heavy duty wrapping, and she can't even rip.
What about
Dress up necklace, okay?
Ooh, That's pretty.
It looks like popcorn. Okay.
That's not real.
Haley, these ones are yours. Just put them over there and wait and let me hand you the rest of your presents, okay?
Okay.
Aubrey. Aubrey. Aubrey.
I just got the three.
Kaylee.
Kaylee.
I don't know what's inside that
Kaylee.
one.
Oh. Ooh.
Tiffy.
Careful.
It's not to me.
Evelyn.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Don't open it.
Evelyn. She's like, I'm gonna open it.
Mama.
Evelyn.
More presents for the baby.
Do you guys think Daddy should open his present first?
Yes.
Okay.
How's my
Open it
hair
up, Daddy. Open it up. Mama, now.
Looks like Christmas morning
Open it
hair.
up.
Oh
Mama, open your present, Daddy. You turn off my light when it's dark. Then I'll turn on my flashlight. Thank you, Mama.
Oh,
Thank
a
you.
beautiful drawing from Aubrey.
See?
A nice
He loves it.
frame. That's so beautiful. Thank
We
you.
drawed you some more. Mama,
No, baby.
it's blocked.
Yeah.
Oh, and another beautiful drawing. What's that? What's that?
That's you and that's me.
Oh, that's beautiful. What's that?
The sun.
Oh, the sun. That's pretty. Thank you.
Daddy.
One more.
That's mine.
Not yet, baby.
You're a beautiful drawer.
And then.
Evelyn, that's beautiful.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Beautiful present.
See, he loves them.
It's welcome.
Thank
Yes,
you,
he
girls.
got
You did such a good job.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna put these right in my room.
Mom, okay, snowman.
Okay. Aubrey Grace, this big one's for you.
Whoa! Holy chick, Mom! Offer, put it over here. That's kind of big. This is my big. Oh, what is that big box?
I think this one's Kaylee's.
It's snowman and duck. No,
Hold on.
snowman.
I think that one's Kaylee's. I can't find his name on it.
Mama, let's go go. Now we get wow. Who's that one? Who's that one?
I'm not sure, Daddy.
Mama.
Daddy,
What?
Santa forgot to write the names on these.
Look, there's numbers already. One, there's only a couple
Do
left.
you remember which one was which?
Can we open
Well, neither one
one?
of them have writing.
Yeah, open one.
That big one and this big one have no writing.
That big one is will be wrapped first.
Mama, can I open this present? Can I
Okay.
open this present?
Okay, Kaylee, this one's yours. So go ahead and open up your big ones first.
Bill, wait too. Remember?
And when you open that one, Santa told me specially that that one is a special Dora one.
Mama,
What?
it's a desk.
Oh my gosh, it is!
Yes, look.
Here, let's turn it like
It's
that.
a desk.
Can you help her? She's having trouble. You try to open your presents?
Open.
There you go.
What a present. Almost there.
What is it, Aubrey? What is it? Is it a tool workbench? Hey, wait a minute. Isn't that what you asked Santa for? And he told me that's a Dora one.
Look.
How cool, huh?
And I got the phone.
Oh my gosh. What is it, Kaylee? Is it a school desk like you asked for?
I don't know.
You don't know?
What's this cover?
Put it on the side.
Like it.
What is it?
Like it. A school desk.
See? Look.
They got the pencil.
She's coloring.
Looks.
That's it, Aubrey Grace?
I look at it.
No, that's just the box. Santa put it together for you because he made it special with Dora. Cool, huh?
How can I build it?
You do whatever you want.
Mama, a
But first we're going to open up the rest of the presents, okay? What you got, baby?
Mama, can we open?
It is beautiful. Can we open up the rest of the presents first? Okay, we'll open it in just a minute. But first, open this one. There you go. Oh my gosh. What is it? It is a baby. Go ahead. Okay, did you open your presents? Look, you still got presents over there.
I asked her for that baby.
Well, Santa can't give you everything you asked for, baby. You had a lot of stuff on your list.
What is that? What is it?
Okay, open up the rest of your toys. You still might get stuff that you had on your
Oh my
list.
gosh!
Oh,
What is it?
it's a doctor kit.
This is what I wanted.
Oh my gosh, now you can play doctor. Did you hear her, babe? She's like,
A giant
oh my gosh.
pencil.
What is it?
A giant pencil.
Hey, that would go great with your desk. How cool is that?
This one.
What do you think,
What?
baby? Yes, baby, go ahead. Open up all your presents. Do you like your baby? Look.
It's white.
Push your belly.
Mama. It's green. Oh, that's beautiful. Mama.
Oh, she's crying.
Mama.
Oh, she's laughing.
Please. Look what I got.
Really?
Look what I
It's so beautiful. Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, open your last present, okay? Can you see that?
Daddy, open what I got. A giant
No.
pencil.
Did you open all your presents?
How cool is it? Pink. It had its own sharpener.
Oh, it's a coloring book.
What kind of coloring book is it? Looks like a bucket. Same?
Clean your room.
Do you like all your stuff?
Oh, let's open up this here. Oh, I'm opening it. You're already open. Oh, but it's plastic.
It's My Little Pony.
That's kind of funny. My own coloring book. Open this one. Mama. Crying.
Yeah, she's crying.
School book.
Oh my gosh, that would go perfect with your school desk.
This one. Put this one there. Wait, no, open the other one. It's kind of heavy.
Oh, you're so sweet. Are you being a good mama? You should have seen her face. When I pushed the button and the baby started laughing, she had a big smile, and then I pushed it again, the baby started crying. She goes, oh, baby crying.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, this is what you got.
You like your baby? Oh.
Mama,
What?
look.
Hey, it says a day at school. That would also go perfect with
Your desk.
your desk. Okay, Evelyn, you still got one more present.
Look at that one.
Here's Evelyn. You gonna open your big present? Yes? Okay, we'll put your baby right up here, okay? Okay, now open this one. There you go.
Bobby.
Hey. Aubrey. Let Evelyn do it, baby. That's her present.
Stuff in your stocking, baby.
See? Remember that special Barbie you were asking for?
Look what Ellen got.
Wow! What is upside down. That's what it is. There.
Very own kitchen.
What is it, baby? Is it a kitchen? Oh my goodness, you could cook cookies. Yes. Do you like it? Evelyn,
What?
do you like it?
Cookie.
Yeah. Hey.
Cookie.
Oh, you even got extra tools? How cool is that?
I'm going to do these two first.
Okay, don't open those up yet, okay? We gotta put that stuff in your room. Oh, baby. Okay, we're gonna put it together in just a minute.
Okay.
Your birthday.
Wait. That's the night board.
So what do you think? Did Santa do pretty good?
Yes. No, this is not.
Hey, you be nice. That's not nice. Here, Evelyn, why don't you play with your baby?
Got a baby, Evelyn? It's a baby.
No.